Hi, we'd like to help you refresh your organic chemistry so you can see the new techniques section. So for example, if when you open the Worksheets tab, you don't see a section here that says techniques, that means you need the new worksheet. So to force an update, you're going to go over to the settings section and you're just going to click clean and close. There we go. And now you can open applications again and open Beyond Labs. And you'll now go through the installing process. The other thing that you're going to need to do is if your Virtual Chem Lab Organic just says introduction here and it doesn't say techniques, you're going to want to close Virtual Chem Lab Organic. There we go. And then you're going to go into your applications folder, drag your icon for Virtual Chem Lab Organic into the trash. Now, when Beyond Labs opens back up again, then you'll just download a fresh version of Beyond Labs Organic. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, now you'll see that Organic Chemistry is back to download, so if you click download on that, and now you'll be getting the new organic database. While we do that, you can see that now when you open Worksheets and open Organic, you now have the techniques section with our new techniques worksheets in there. So now we just need to wait for the new organic to download. Once that finishes, then you will have the new version. So we'll wait for that. Okay, now it's finished. So now when you click open for organic chemistry, now you have the techniques section here also with those same worksheet preset links that will load you to where you need to be with the worksheets. We hope this helps.